In the deuterostomes, we will be discussing about the hemichordates today. So hemichordates form a small phylum of only a few hundred species. There are 100 or 200 species which are present in the hemichordates, and these are having the common fossil representative of the graptolites in the ancient seas of early Paleozoic. So there is only one particular organism or one particular fossil that we see today, and that is graptolites. And these were present during the early Paleozoic era, in the seas of early Paleozoic era. The graptolites are extinct and their lifestyles are difficult to interpret. We cannot say that what did they, what did they eat, how did they live. So, but they are small, soft-bodied animals with bilateral symmetry and a lack of segmentation. So, in the hemichordata, there are two classes. First, there are the tiny, mainly colonial pterobranchs in the sessile benthos, and second are the large infaunal acorn or tongueworm, the enteroneusts. So, these are the two classes. One of them is sessile benthos, that means that they are present in the bottom of the sea, and they are sessile, that means they cannot move. And the other one is the infaunal acorn. Infaunal means that they are living inside the sedimentation. They, just like a burrowing action, they are going inside the the sedimentation, inside the bottom. And these are the enteroneusts. And they are the hemichordata are the organisms which are very much related to the cephalochordata, and urochordata are tunicates. We see that these organisms are very much related and they look alike. But the molecular data suggests that the latter two groups are more closely related to the chordates. So cephalochordata or urochordata or tunicates, these are the two groups which are much more related to the chordates rather than the hemichordates. And what does the graptolites they do? They are benthic, planktonic, and automobile in their different groups, and they have the different lifestyles. And the graptolites evolved rapidly, and they were widespread. And their ideal zone fossils in the rock of Ordovician, Silurian, and early Devonian age. And these graptolites are characteristic organism or the typical organism of the hemichordates. So what is the classification of the graptolites? There is one class which is the class Graptolithina, and it is having further orders. So orders are the order Dendroidea, which was present from the Cambrian to the Carboniferous, the order Tuboidea, which was present from the Ordovician to the Silurian, and order Camaraoidea, which was present during the Ordovician. And then there is the class Crustoidea, order Crustoidea, which was present during the Ordovician, and order Dithycoidea, which was present during the Cambrian to Silurian. And then the last but not the least is order Graptoloidea, which was present during Ordovician to Devonian period. So these were the organisms which were present during these period, and the graptolites are the characteristic organism of the hemichordates.